Hi, my name's Tom from DCR. Today we're in the H2O Blaster production line. I just want to show you around the blaster today and go in and do a bit of a demonstration for you. So inside the blaster, I have a BMW wheel in here today. We have our high pressure nozzle, so high pressure water and aluminium oxide comes out of here, and then we have our fresh water to remove all of the media and dirt on the actual wheel itself. Just down here we have our sump. So this particular machine doesn't need a direct water feed. It takes 110 litres of water and it recirculates through these series of filtration system, and then we have our water pump located on the left hand side there. We've got, these are the buttons, so on the left hand side we've got the fresh water, and then the right hand side, that's the high pressure water there to clean and prepare the wheel. Just down here we've got an airline and then your airline point, and this particular machine needs a minimum requirement of 20 CFM, but ideally you need to be around that 30 CFM if you're using other air tooling, i.e. sort of like a DA sander or blower or spray gun or anything like that. Just going to shut this door now. Just going to push this sump back in. And we're going to start blasting. So I'm going to click this button on. I'm going to start in the valve position, be keying up prior to paint, and this is a very speedy way to get all those wheels prepared prior to paint. A lot easier. The reason why you would use this blaster is to speed up the times to your normal way of scotching a wheel by hand with Scotch-Brite. Also, for health and safety purposes, there is no dust. It's a complete confined unit with water and aluminium oxide. It doesn't require a dust mask or anything like that. It's all contained in this unit and fully health and safety compliant. So I'm just going to do this half of the wheel just to sort of show you the differences. There we go. Just going to clean this wheel off with fresh water. Switch it off down there and open the door. So I'm just going to grab this blower that's located on the side of the machine, and I can just blow dry the tyre. Leaving a nice clean and prepped wheel. Also to mention that this particular machine doesn't have to be used for wheels. You can use engine parts, you can use brake calipers. There's a few parts just over here I'd like to show you. Here's a bit of a before and after. So just to give you a further idea on sort of engine parts and other bits and pieces that may belong to a vehicle, that we're going to just give you a little demonstration, just showing you how well that part there can be cleaned up. Just for demonstration purposes, I've only done a certain part of this part. You can see there, it's a vast improvement to what it was. Please do get in touch with the team if you do require any more information on our H2O Blaster. Please do check out our other demonstration videos, which is the DCR Pro preparation cabinet and spray and cure booth. Thank you very much.